Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me REALME Q5 PRO device, and now I'm gonna show you how to lock apps on this device by fingerprint. So firstly, you need to open settings, then scroll down and find the privacy item here. Open it. Here you will see app lock, click on it. Now you need to create a password from your app lock, but I have privacy password, so I will just provide it and click app lock. And now just choose applications you want to lock. For example, I want to lock Chrome, I want to lock Drive, and I want to lock Facebook. And now, when I want to open Facebook, I need to use privacy password or only my fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.